Hey lovies, welcome back to another video. And on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I smoke my strong chicken using my oven at home without applying any smoke liquid or smoke salt. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a base to get that smoky flavor in your chicken or anything you're going to be roasting in your oven without adding any smoke liquid. So if you're interested, just stay tuned as I take you through the process of this video. So I'm using two strong chicken here, and my chicken is already washed and clean, and I've already pat dried the chicken. So I'm going to be opening the belly of the chicken, but if you like, you can just go ahead and make it whole chicken without opening the belly, or you can cut the chicken into any size that you want. But for this video, I'm just going to open the belly of the chicken so I'll be able to apply my oil base properly into the chicken. So I'll break the hips of the chicken and I'll go ahead and take off all those extra fats from the chicken. So guys, this chicken, you can use it to make your tomato sauce, you can use it to make your egusi soup. Guys, I tell you, if you use this smoked chicken to make your egusi soup, oh my god, I don't need to tell you the taste. Just give it a try, and guys, you are going to come on the comment section and say thank you after trying it. So I will also go ahead and do the same thing to the other chicken. I will just go ahead and open the belly and use my hands to bend it down just to open it properly, and I will take off all the parts that I don't like from the chicken. So right here, I'm going to be making a base that I'm going to use to rub or marinate the chicken. So I will add a teaspoon of salt into my palm oil. I'm using half cup of palm oil here. I'll add a teaspoon of my no all-purpose season, my no aroma season, which is like Maggi, and I'll add some onion powder and also some garlic powder. So this is just to give it some taste. I don't want to add too much spice to this because I don't want to overwhelm the chicken. So I will just go ahead and mix them all together. And after mixing, I'll go ahead and put on my gloves, and I will use my hand to thoroughly use this base to bait the chicken. I'll just use it to massage all the body of the chicken just to give it that shiny flavor, and also for the chicken to get that taste. So I'll do the same thing to both of the chicken, and while I'm doing this, I'm already preheating my oven on 190 degrees. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. And if you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up right now. And at the end of the day, if you love the recipe and you love to be part of this channel, do go ahead and click on that subscribe button. So to get my smoky flavor, my smoke base, I'm going to be putting in my 4 plates some spring onion. You can use anything like spring onion or any fresh leaf. I'll add in some rice. I'm just using brown rice. You can use any rice you have. I'll add some sugar. I'm just using half cup of sugar here. It doesn't matter the amount of sugar you're using. And I'll go ahead and add some dried mixed herbs, like these dry mixed herbs, the sugar, the rice, and the leaf, which is the spring onion I'm using in form of my leaf. They are just going to like bring that smoke out and give the chicken that smoky flavor while inside the oven. You're going to be seeing what I'm going to be doing, obviously. So right now I will transfer the chicken into my preheated oven. And after placing the chicken in the oven, I will get another oven rack and I will place it underneath of the chicken, which I'm going to be putting my baking tray so that the liquid, the juice from the chicken will be dripping. You don't want to place it like this because the chicken is just going to be dripping inside your base, which is supposed to form the smoke base. So this is how you want it to be. So the liquid have to be dripping in a tray while the smoky base will be on the bottom, so it will dry while the oven is on and it will bring out that smoky flavor into your chicken. So guys, I hope you understand what I just showed you right here. So you want to make sure there's a tray on in the middle while the smoky base will be on the bottom. So right here I have dried my chicken for about 2 hours and you can see how it looks like. So I will take it back again into the oven, and the next day I went ahead and dried my chicken again for an extra 1 hour 30 minutes, which altogether I dried my chicken in the oven for 3 hours 30 minutes. So you can see the end result right here. The chicken is well dried. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to click on that like button and drop me a comment if there's anything you didn't understand on this video. And if you did try it and you find it helpful, please don't forget to like drop your comment letting me know how it came out. Thank you very much guys for watching. So right now I'm just going to show you how the chicken came out, so you can see how dried the chicken is. And I tell you, the smoky flavor from this chicken is 100% more better than when you use like a smoky liquid or smoked salt to like dry your fish or chicken. So guys, thank you very much for watching. And right here you can see how the base I made is the rice, the sugar, the mixed herbs, everything is dried and kind of burnt. So that was the thing that like put the smoky flavor in the chicken. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you on my next recipe, do have a lovely day, have a beautiful day. Bye bye.